Founder of Optimal Success Strategy. So here is the Irodov solution program. So here the concept is you don't try to learn the solution, just try to learn the process of the solution. And we have categorized the process in 4 parts. The first step is you must be silent when you are solving the problem. We have a silent mind. If your mind is filled with thoughts, images, anxiety, depression, excitement, you won't be able to solve the problem effectively. So the first step when you solve a problem is have a silent mind for at least 10 to 20 seconds. Then is the idea. Generate idea. If you have a silent mind, only then your mind will be able to think and have an idea. The third is retrieving information from the mind, and the fourth is calculation. And for each problem that you practice, you must repeat these 4 steps again and again. That will develop your problem solving skills. So let's start with the problem. It says that a particle is moving along x-axis. The velocity as a function of coordinate x is given by v is equal to alpha root x, where alpha is a constant, and it's given that at initial position x is equal to 0. You need to find the first option, velocity as a function of time. The second, acceleration as a function of time. These 2 parts are evaluated, VT graph and ET graph. So this is the problem. So have a silent mind for 10 to 20 seconds. Now think, have an idea. What is the relation between V and T, velocity and time? What is the relation between A and T? Think. The next part is information. We know that the relation between velocity and coordinate is v is dx by dt, and between acceleration and coordinate is a is equal to dv by dt. So these relations we get. And we also, because we are using differentiation, so we must know the rules of differentiation and integrations also, because these will be needed. So if you are able to retrieve this information from your mind, then you can solve the questions. Now let's move on to the calculations. V is dx by dt, v is alpha root x. So from here we have, you just take this root x over here. So dx by root x is alpha dt. So this is applying the limits from 0 to x. Here is from 0 to t. So this is x to the power minus half dx is alpha into t. So you just integrate that, and it will be x to the power half upon half is equal to alpha t. 2 will be, you can take over here. So 2x to the power half is alpha t. So root x is alpha t by 2. Just square that, and we get x is equal to alpha square t square by 4. Now we know that velocity is dx by dt. You just differentiate that, so velocity comes out to be alpha square t by 2. Next, acceleration is dv by dt. You just differentiate that, you get acceleration is alpha square by 2. Now talking about the graphs, vt graphs, because v is proportional to t, so graph will be a straight line. Let's suppose this angle is theta, so then theta will be alpha square by 2. Similarly, acceleration is constant, alpha square by 2, so that will be the shape of the graph. So you have seen that if you are thorough with the process, then you can solve questions with like that. You can make up your speed and you can solve questions very easily and very fast, which is the only skill needed to crack your exams for JEE Main, JEE Advanced, NEET, NDSC, KVPY, AIMS, and other exams also. So work on your problem solving skills, work on the processes of the mind, and you can end up with a flying colors. Thank you and have a nice day. Good morning everybody. Myself Vishvendra, I am the founder of Optimal Success Strategy. We have started the short questions for Irodov as a part of our program, and in this program we give the structured way of problem solving skills. You see, there is no concept, no point in learning the solution. You must learn the process. Solving a problem requires certain skills of the mind, and these skills are attained by continuous and recursive efforts. So we just plan to make students learn the art of problem solving skills through questions. So let's start with the problem number 1.20 of IEEE. It says that the position vector of a particle is vector at 1 minus alpha t, where vector a is a constant vector, and we need to find the velocity and acceleration of the particle. So this is the problem. We'll solve this with a vision to develop problem solving skills in yourself. Make sure that the first step of problem solving skill is a silent mind. Whenever you see a problem, whenever you start solving a problem, general reaction of the mind is feeling of anxiety, fear, depression, excitement, and uncomfortable feelings. The first thing you must learn is a psychological training of your mind. Be strong enough so that you becomes internally silent. That gives your mind the time to think. That is very important.